In this lesson, we are going to take a look at circles. So let's begin. First of all, a definition of a circle is a set of all points in a plane that are a fixed distance, meaning the same distance, from a point called the center of a circle. So go ahead and copy that down into your notes. We can also talk about a radius, and our definition of a radius is a line segment whose endpoints are the center and then any point on the circle. So if you need to, pause the video so you can write down those definitions, and then we'll kind of label the circle that we have down here. So labeling this circle, every circle is going to have a center. So here is my center. Obviously, it's in the middle of my circle. And then it says that it's equidistant to every part of the circle. So for example, this length is the same as this length, is the same as that length, and so on. I can draw those all over the place. Well, all those little spokes of the wheel, it looks like, that I drew are called the radius, because the end point is a center, or is the center, and a point on the circle. So all of these are my radii, or one of them would be a radius. So what I'd like you to do is I want you to find the radius and the center for the circle below. So go ahead and try this, and when you're ready, come back and we'll see how you did. All right, welcome back. So let's find the center. This blue line that I have drawn is called the diameter of a circle. It's the diameter because it goes through the center, and the center would be in the middle. So here is the middle of my circle, and that center value is at when x is 1, 2, 3, 4, and my y value is 1, 2, 3, 4. So my center is 4, 4. And now for me to find the radius, I'm going to count this distance right here. Well, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My radius is 5. This length is also 5. This length would be 5. This diagonal would be 5. So there is that problem. Let's take a look at one more thing. For this, I want you to go ahead and take out your compass. If you need to pause your video to go find it and come on back. So we have our compass and we have a segment AB. And our job is to construct a circle that has a radius of AB. So here's what we do. You're going to take the point of your compass and set it at A, and then you're going to extend it out so that it matches up with B. So that's my radius. Well, in this situation, A is my center. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle with the length of AB with A as my center. So I'm just going to take my circle drawer and go all the way around. And there is my circle. So there you have it. That's what we're going to examine with circles, and good luck.